Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to film a look. Okay, so we're starting off with our brows, and I found a brown eyeliner in my collection, so I decided that because it was so creamy, it might be the best thing for my eyebrows, and it worked perfectly. It went on so smooth and I am loving it. So I shape my brows, then I comb through them with a spoolie just to get a more diffused and not too much of a harsh brown look. Then I go in with a skin tone concealer to carve out my brows but not give them a highlighted, lifted look. I just want them sharp and defined. So next I go in with my concealer, the one that I use to highlight, to prime my eyes, and then I'm going to set that with my translucent powder. So the palette I'm going to be using today is the Jackie Aina palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm loving these colors, and today I'm going in with the ginger in my crease, and then I take the shade Edges and just blend both of them together in my crease to get a nice reddish transition color. So it was giving me very plum, so I decided to go in with Credit on the inner and outer corners of my eyes, and then blend them together at the top. So next I'm gonna pack Wiggalese right in the middle, just to give me kind of like a halo cut crease. I didn't actually cut any creases, I just packed it on, and then I blend both Credit and Wiggalese together just to give me a more seamless look. And that's pretty much it for the eyes. I go in now with my e.l.f. liquid liner. At first I make the wing that I want. I like my wings long, and then I slowly work my way inwards and build the thickness of the wing that I like. This wing was coming out so messy, so I had to go in with a concealer just to sharpen the edges. And I use the same concealer that I use under my eyes, so it will be easier to blend once I do my full face. Next I go in with a black eyeliner in my waterline because I want a kind of grungy look, because that's the look I've already created, so I decided it was perfect to use. So I'm just priming my face, and I've already applied my lash glue to my lashes, and then I go ahead and color correct my face because I do have a few hyperpigmentation that usually peeks through when the foundation is not extremely full coverage. So I just go over all of those areas, buff it out, and then I set it with translucent powder just to give me a flawless base to work with. So once that's all set, I just apply my lashes, and then I jump right into my full face. So I just warm up the foundation on the back of my hand, then I use my finger to apply it to my face, then I buff it out with a flat top brush. I find that this allows me to not use as much foundation even though I do need a lot of coverage, which is why we color correct while we prime, so we don't have to use too much product on our face. So once I get that blended, I get my ears, my neck, everywhere, and then I go in with my highlighter underneath my eyes. So I just use the LA Girl Pro Concealer under my eyes, and I just highlight the bridge of my nose, just between my eyebrows. Because I don't want my forehead too pronounced. I don't want it to be the star of this look, so I just highlight a little bit. Then I do my cupid's bow and my chin. Then I go in with my contour. It's actually a concealer stick, and I just go in, and I kind of went in a little more today because my hair was up in a bun, so I decided to do more of a dramatic phase. So I'm just blending out the contour because I don't like to let mine sit for too long, then it becomes too hard to move around. So I blend it out with a wet brush, and I just wet my brush with my setting spray, and I blend my concealer upwards towards my highlight. Then I blend my highlight downwards to meet my contour. So they kind of meet in the middle but don't mix together to create a different kind of shade and get too muddy. So I then go in with my foundation brush just to blend everything together, and then I go in with my contour powder to set my contour, and then I press my translucent powder onto all the areas that I highlighted, and then I leave a thin layer on for baking. We're going for a very full glam today because the eyes are really out there and I'm loving it. So I go in with edges to blend out that eyeliner we placed in the waterline. And then we put trust issues in the inner corner for a little pop. So then I just put mascara on my bottom lashes, and then I just use a little translucent powder to define my contour because it came down a little too far. I went in with a lot more blush than I normally do because the eyes were red, so I figured it would complement it perfectly, which it did. And then I just applied my highlighter and set my face.
Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I love it.
I am loving this final look. I am a beginner when it comes to eyeshadows, so I was most pleased that this look came out better than expected.
I definitely know that you guys should be looking forward to more videos featuring that palette because it's now become